Suppose draw, go to the draw, multi-line, suppose multi-line, choose multi-line here, specify multi-line, justification, scale, style. Suppose this one is justification, first one is justification, or you can create, suppose this one is a multi-line. So now cursor, there have a two line, everyone shows there have a two line, cursor now in the upper line. So now this one is escape first, then go to the multi-line, then go to the justification, then choose 0. So now this one is 0, then cursor will be in the middle position. If you choose bottom, so cursor in the bottom line. Okay, so now choose similar procedure, multi-line, scale. What is scale? Suppose by default scale length is 20 millimeter, this length is millimeter. So now enter multi-line, scale is 20 millimeter. Suppose I'll choose, suppose 50 here. So now this one is 50. So now this one is 50, right click, enter. Okay, then multi-line, then this one is, suppose polygon. How to create polygon? Suppose I'll create first one circle here, which is center and radius option. So go to the center point, and suppose circle radius I'll give here 100. So now this one is 100 circle radius, and then go to the draw polygon, enter the polygon, enter the number of sides. Suppose number of side is 6, enter. Okay, so center point, suppose center point, this is the center point. Okay, choose center point. If you choose center point is not on here, so go to the object snap. This one is object snap, just click here. This one center should on here. Okay, center should on here. So now choose center point here. Okay, then inscribe or circumscribe. What is the difference between inscribe and circumscribe? Suppose choose first inscribe, and then same radius of the circle, means I'll put 100 radius. So now also this one is 100 radius, so that is the 100 radius, inscribe. Then similar procedure, polygon, same. Suppose number of side is 6, enter. Then choose here, this is the center point, and then circumscribe, and then also this one is 100. So now this one is 100. 100 is the circumference, touch circumference, so that is the circumscribe, and this one is inscribe, means under the circle. Okay, so next create new page. This is now rectangle. How to create rectangle? Go to the draw, this one is draw rectangle. This is too large rectangle. Choose rectangle here. There have a many option is there. Suppose first one is chamfer, then elevation, then fillet, then thickness, then width. If you click anywhere, then go to the, this one is area, dimension and rotation. So first I'll choose area. Then what shows here, enter area of rectangle. Suppose area of rectangle is 200, enter. Then length or width, suppose give length here, length, suppose this one is 20, enter. Okay, so 20 is the length. So now 20 is the length. So now this one is 20 and this one is 10. So total area is 200. I'll put. Then also create another rectangle. Suppose choose here, click anywhere, then dimension, go to the dimension. Suppose 20, enter, then 30, enter. So now this one is 20 and this one is 30. Next also create a rectangle, same procedure, select here and give rotation. Suppose give rotation here, suppose give 45, enter. So now this one is 45 degree angle rectangle, create here. So now last one is active. So now give rectangle, in this page always make 45 degree angle. So how to create 0? Go similar procedure, go to the rotation and then 0, enter. So now this one is 0 degree. Also create rectangle, same, go to the chamfer. This one is chamfer, first chamfer distance. Suppose I'll choose first chamfer distance is 3, enter. Second chamfer distance is 6, enter. So now this one is 3 and 6. This one is 3 and this one is 6. This one is linear. this one is linear, then suppose select this one and select that one. So now this one is 6. Also choose similar procedure, linear, this one and this one, so this one is 3. I'll put first length is 3 and second length is second sample distance is 6. So this is the 3 and this is the 6. If you choose this one is 6, if you create one dimension, this one is 3. So there have a one line, this one is one line, from this point to that point is one line. So if it is this one is 6, so now this one is 3. So I'll put first sample distance is 3 and second sample distance is 6. So total length is 9. So every line should be greater than 9. Clear? Then also create a rectangle, similar procedure. First 0, this one, go to the chamfer because last one is activate. Okay, so 0 enter and then 0 enter. Then also similar procedure, elevation. What is elevation? Elevation, I'll choose elevation, suppose 200 enter. Okay, then 200 enter, then create a rectangle. So in the top view you cannot find anything. So go to the under top, there have a isometric, SW isometric. Go to the isometric view and rotate. By rotate, go to the view, orbit and constant orbit. You choose this constant orbit toolbar and rotate by left click, press left click in the mouse. So that is the 200. So every time drawing in the xy plane, but if you give elevation, so distance from the xy plane in z direction, so that is called, this one is this z direction, this one is z direction, so this one is 200 distance. I'll put this one is 200 distance. So now this one is xy plane and from this xy plane to this distance is 200. So that is called elevation. Next also go to the top. So now this one is top. So from top you cannot find in the elevation. Okay. So now go to the rectangle, similar procedure, fillet. Fillet, suppose give here 5 enter. So now this one is 5. This radius is 5. This radius is 5. So go to the draw radius. Go to the draw radius. Suppose select this one and select this. So that is the R5. So that is the R5. This one also R5. Clear? So next similar procedure, fit rectangle, then also 0 all the things. Go to the elevation, 0 enter, and fillet also 0 enter. In the thickness there have a thickness of rectangle. Suppose give rectangle thickness is, suppose give here 100 enter. Okay, then create a rectangle. Also you cannot find anything from the top view. So go to the isometric view for the thickness. So that is the thickness. You can choose here 2D wireframe to shaded view. So now this one is surface. Also view, orbit, constant orbit. So now this one is surface. Okay, so this one is surface. Next one is 2D wireframe and then this one is top. Okay, next draw rectangle, then this one is width. Under width there have a suppose 5 enter. So now this one is 5. So that is the 5 distance. That is the also 5 distance. That is the also 5 distance. So that is the total rectangle toolbar. Thank you.